Hi guys, it's Gabby. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a really long time since I've filmed one of these, but I'm going to do a plan with me today in my Erin Condren, and I'm hoping to really get back into these and get back into my YouTubing. So I thought this week I would use, so this is also a bit of a reveal, our March mystery kit, which as of today, which is the 17th of March, happy St. Patrick's Day, it is still available until the 25th. You can either subscribe to it and get 10% off and just receive it automatically every month, or you can go and purchase one on our website, which is thegpstudio.com. So I guess I'll just give you a little bit of a reveal now. So this is the first page that you get. So you get 8 circled checklists, some appointment stickers, habit trackers, bill dues, a sidebar sticker, some flags, asterisks and hearts. And then your second functional kit, you get your weekend banner, your to-do and today headers, some extra appointment stickers, your glitter headers, and then some hand-drawn icons and some circle icons. As you can see, this kit has a very pink and gold glitter theme. Then you have your full boxes where you've just got some kind of more cozy scenes, and this quote box says "Speak beautiful things," just in a really kind of abstract pink style, and you've got a really nice interior scene here as well. Then you've got your marble to-do boxes. These are your half boxes and quarter boxes, your headers and little things, your bottom washi and washi strips, and I really love this bottom washi, the kind of abstract paint strokes. I love how it turned out. And then you have your date covers and deco, and I just love the cat and the dog. I think they're really, really sweet for this month. That's kind of modeled after one of our cats called Baxter. He looks exactly like that. And then the extra bit that you get in all of the mystery kits, you get a double box and then heaps of headers. So you get 2 glitter headers and 2 marble headers, and you've just got the really cute dog and cat sitting at the front of the door, kind of waiting for you to come home. So that is the mystery kit. I really hope you guys like it. I love how it turned out this month. I think it's really sweet. So I'm gonna go ahead and use it today. I'm a bit rusty, so bear with me, but I'm gonna go ahead and start with the bottom washi as usual and just go and pop that down. Okay, so the bottom washi is down. I wanted to bring some foiling into this spread as well, but I'm going to go a little bit different. Even though this has got gold glitter in it, I felt like all of the gold headers were a little bit too warm toned for this kit. As you can see with the gold, it's really warm, but if you pop the silver next to it, I think that that goes really nicely. So I'm actually going to use silver foil for this kit rather than gold, because I still think it matches the gold glitter really nicely. So I think what I'm going to do next is go ahead and do my sidebar. So I'm going to pop the quote box up the top here and then work my way down with some daily habits and then a weekly to-do list, and also I have a little weigh-in silver foil sticker from Arctic Paper Studio that I'm also going to pop down, so I might just go and speed that up as I do it. Okay, so that's my sidebar so far. I might come back at the end and fill the rest of this in because that's kind of all I really use it for. So I might fill that in with some deco or something at the end. So let's move on to the actual spread now. I'm going to pop some silver foil headers all the way across the top, and then I'm also going to do my date covers. I think because I'll have the silver foil, I'll use the marble headers across the top because I think that'll work quite nicely. So I'm just going to go ahead and do all of that. Okay, that's all done. I think that's looking really nice. And I was trying to decide while I was doing that how I'm going to do the full boxes, and I think I'm actually going to go a little bit old school and put them all the way across the bottom. I really want to use this double box, and I think because we're quite busy during the week, I'm definitely going to use it on the weekend. So I need to decide which stickers not to include. I think I'll leave these two out and just use these ones. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop those all along the bottom, and then I think I'll add the marble headers across the top, or I might change my mind. I'll see how I go after I've popped these down. So Monday, our lovely fellow designer Hannah comes in. So she helps us out with all of the designing, and she's amazing. So I'm going to pop down that she is in. So she comes into the office / our home on Monday and Thursday, and then she works from home on Tuesday. So she's in. And then because we only moved house 2 weeks ago, there's still a little bit of, when I say a little bit, quite a lot of unpacking to do. So I'm trying to kind of do little bits day by day. So on Monday I wanted to sort out our front entrance. So I'm gonna use an appointment label. Like that. And then I might just use our little home sticker to indicate that. And then I need to get back into my exercising, because on Friday it's only 5 months until we leave for our wedding / holiday. So I want to do one of those YouTube hit exercise videos. I found that they're really helping me and getting me really fit. So I'm gonna put a half box in, and then grab one of our GP girls. And I've nearly run out of this sheet, but this is Alice and the exercise girl. So I'm just going to grab one of her and put it on this side. And then I'm going to put in a to-do list. This is kind of turning into a no white space spread. So I'm just going to use one of these. And I'm just going to butt it up against that header, I think. And then I might have to move that. This is on our vinyl paper that I'm using, so it's nice and removable. So I can move things around a little bit. That's our cat, Ollie. So I might use the to-do header. Please excuse him. There we go, that looks a bit better. So that is Monday. On Tuesday, I want to organise, so entrance Tuesday is organising the laundry. So I might grab another one of these stickers. I might use this black and white one actually. That. And I'm going to use this organised sticker just in case I change my mind and don't want to do the laundry and want to do something else. It's also payday, so I'm just going to mark that here. And I'll probably need to do some groceries as well, so I'm just going to get this one here and pop it on a flag. And then I'm just going to do another to-do checklist. Okay, and that's Tuesday. On Wednesday, let me just pop the to-do list in first before I skip that. The to-do list is generally all of the work that I have to do. I have a skin needling appointment and I think it's going to be as painful as it sounds, so I'm going to use one of these. And then I want to do some more exercise, so let's grab another quarter box. Let's get this colour. Like that, and I might just grab another Alice girl for that. I also want to film another video because I'm trying to get back into it. So I've got these film edit and upload stickers from Rose Colored Days, and I might just use this one and pop it here. And then she's also got the icons, so I'm just going to put one of these like camera icons next to it. I think that would work nicely. Yep. Okay, on Thursday I have a hair appointment, so let's use, I might use a half box for that because it takes up a little bit more time. So I'm going to grab this one with the rose. I think that's really sweet. And then I have these silver foiled hair appointment stickers from Arctic Paper Studio, so I'm actually going to grab this one and hopefully it'll fit. I might just put it across like, I think that'll be okay. Yeah, and I'll leave that blank to fill in because towards the end of the week I'm not too sure what our plans are going to be, so I'll leave that bit blank and then just pop another to-do list in there. And then Friday, let's pop another to-do list. And then I also want to mark that it is 5 months until we go away for our wedding and big holiday, so I'm going to get this quarter box, and that's really scary because I feel like there's still so much to do and to organize, but it's okay, we'll get there. And I think what I'll mark it with, I've got these really nice bows, and I'm not sure the shop is around anymore, but it's from a shop called Pretty Paper Crazy, and I'm nearly out, but I think that'd be really nice to mark it. So I'm gonna do it on this side. And then Friday is sub box packing day, so we or kind of prep day for them to all be sent out. So you guys who have subscribed will get your March boxes very soon because we're sending them out on Monday. April sign-ups are now available if you wanted to subscribe for April. So head to our website, which is the GP Studio. I'll link it down below, and you can see a sneak peek and sign up for it if you want. Everyone's really loving all of them, which we're really excited about. So I might actually use a big half box for that because that's definitely an all-day event. And then I think I'll use maybe, yeah, this packing box one, little icon for that. Okay, the weekend, I think I'll actually put the weekend banner down here because I think it'll look quite nice. Let's just do that. We haven't got many plans, so on Saturday is new releases, so I'm actually going to use this. Which one shall I use? Yeah, I might use this one for here. And I've got this silver foil sticker from Arctic Paper Studio that has new releases on it, so I'm going to use that because I love how that looks. and then we have lunch at a friend's house, so I'm going to mark that with a half box, I think. Let's use maybe this, yeah, this black and white one. I think that'll be nice. That. And then let's mark it with, I've got these really sweet bows, and they're actually like a holographic foil from Arctic Paper Studio, so I'm definitely going to use those because they're just gorgeous. If you haven't checked out her shop, especially if you're in Australia, go and check it out because she has heaps of foil things and I just love what she does. So I'll do that. Sunday, not really any plans. I'm hoping to film another plan with me, fingers crossed. And let me know what you guys would like to see. Like I'm using Traveler's Notebook now as well. So if you'd like to see me do like a plan with me in that, or a flip through, please let me know. But I'm just gonna get another half box, I think. Maybe this one. And I've got our plan sticker, like that, and then I'll use a little film, here it is, film script again from Rose Colored Days. I'll just put that here. And then I'm just going to leave that blank as well because I'm not sure what else is happening on Sunday. Right, let's have a look. I actually forgot I have these stickers from Arctic Paper Studio that say "Gah, so much to do," and I think I'm kind of going to be feeling like that next week, so I'm kind of considering using maybe a quarter box here and putting one of those on it because it's true. And then I'm just going to fill that bottom bit in with some excess washi. I'm going to use this one. Pop this down. Like that. Okay, now what I might do just to finish that off is grab some deco. Let's see, I'm going to use I think quite a few of the florals. You can see a little bit of script still up there, so I might just cover it with that and then pop a few more up the top. I really like doing that. That really cute bra, this really cute mug, and that little play suit. I think that'll work. Maybe not. I might use these really nice Birkenstocks and then another floral like that. And I think that might be it. I'm really enjoying doing simpler spreads in my Erin Condren and just kind of doing a bit more detailed in my Traveler's Notebook, so I really like how that's turning out, really nice and just easy to see. And I tend to use it more of like memory style rather than like I sitting down in the morning and a to-do list. But let me know what you guys think. I hope you like it, and let me know what other type of videos you'd like to see in the future. Again, if you wanted to subscribe to our mystery kit and grab this one, head to our website. And until my next video, I'll talk to you guys then. Bye!